Hello to all, I am Harshad from Hacker Associate. Today we are going to do a cool stuff and we are going to see how to open that lock, which is how to unlock the particular car door. And just now we are here basically in the parking lot, and then we are going to see how easy it is and how we can going to record some activity using Hacker app. So yes, so here is with me.
Hi everyone, this is Sahar.
So do you have any question
Yes, so how do you basically record the frequencies with Hacker? How do you get to know that
So do you have any idea regarding this, what exactly is a Hacker app, how it can be
All I know is
used?
it's a radio frequency device. It does the failure. That's all I know about.
Okay. Generally, see, when you talk about Hacker app, you can see we have a wide range of frequency, right? You can easily measure it. And it have a RX, it have a TX, by the way. Okay. So generally, if you have seen, previously, we have used RT and SDR. Okay, so we have analyzed that wireless doorbell signals and all. The same can be done easily. Even I can also play with the GSM things, SMS things, all this stuff I can do. And it have I think all the things available there in one particular device called Hacker app.
Okay.
So example, let's see if you go to this configuration here. So all details are available under this section, like what is basically the device doing. Okay, for example, let's say one MHZ26 GHz operating frequency, and going to transmit, going to receive, and lot of things we're going to do.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you how to use it.
Fine.
So in our previous session, we have learned already how to analyze the wireless doorbell signal. This time I'm going to show you I have a key basically. So example, let's say here is the key, right?
So they're going to snip this particular radio frequency.
Yes, exactly. So example, let's say whenever you take any key in your hand, whatever the car it is. So if you want to analyze the thing, what you need to do is you simple take the key. You can go to the back side. So if you see here the back side, by the way, I'm not showing you properly, but here it is. Okay, you can see some square button is here, right? That part, basically we are going to see this section.
Okay.
So basically one square thing is here, right?
Exactly.
So here, some numbers are written there. Okay, which we are not showing right now because what are we are going to perform parameter testing. But here some numbers are available. That number, you need to Google. And you need to identify the particular frequency. And that part, you are going to record using an Hacker app. Okay, so I will disclose some information regarding to this. For example, let's say I am taking suppose this car, whatever we are going to snip, right? So their operating frequency is 350.
Okay.
But it is possible, maybe different other countries like US or Europe. It is possible maybe you can observe this thing of around 433 or 413 to 435. That is also possible, right? So now what we are going to see, we are going to test, because I am not sure about this particular car, because now I am just going to very excited going to see how it could be. Right? So what we are going to see is I am going to press one button here. We are going to open the door and we will see we are able to see anything here or not. In our Hacker app, right? So basic thing is suppose here is my Mac, and I am going to open my item, and let's put the key this side here. And first you can simple type sudo GQRX and press enter, and I'm going to enter the particular password. Right? So you can see clearly this software basically open there, right? Here it is. And now here you can see there is a frequency option this side, right hand side. You can tweak it here. You can see my mouse cursor here, right? So you can set a frequency. For example, let us suppose you have no idea about the car, what frequency is going to operate. So I already told you, right? You can check the back side of this, and then Google it to get an idea. Another part is you measure is 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450. That is how I am doing it. Okay, but here a lot of car, we are not going to do more malicious activity. I am just going to show you my things, and then we are going to terminate everything. If I don't want to take any risk, because we are in the public place.
Okay, yeah, we can do that.
So right now what I am going to see here is, I am going to play this button, and here you can see that there is nothing is coming here, right? Nothing is
There is
here.
no activity.
No activity, you can see, right? But the moment, I am going to press, example, let's say this one. You can clearly see some spike came here. This is basically my key, which I am pressing. Again, you can see that, again I am going to lock the door. And you can clearly see here, right?
There's another spike.
Another spike, right? So you can see clearly, if you confirmed it, this is basically our car key, whatever we are doing it, right? So again, let's say, I'm going to press it here. You can see clearly the spike is here. Exactly, right? You can see clearly, here it is spike. Again, I'm going to press, another, see, locking the door. And you can see another spike. Now I'm going to press a long time. You can see that the pressure. You can see that.
There's a bigger spike
Yes,
over
yes.
there.
So you can see now I'm going to again press the key, okay, with pressure. You can clearly see that here. So we successfully able to record the key.
Okay, so I have a question for you. So if you're able to record this thing, can we again replay this and we can be
Of course. That's why actually Hack RF is useful.
Okay.
Okay, and there are a lot of devices, okay, which I'm going to disclose.
Okay,
So now, okay, like I have this thing, right? I'm going to capture the things and I'm going to replay it. So once I replay it, I'm able to open that
Open the
particular
same
lock,
lock.
and which I don't want to do with other because I'm going to record everything here because we're in public place, right? But of course, I can show you, okay, some other later sections, all these things, because this is more offensive thing. And as I mentioned, okay, like we have ethics, right? You don't want to break that, okay? But this is the thing, I think you got an idea, like
Yeah, what
how
can
easy
be
it
done
is,
with
okay, like it is easy to capture this particular thing. Any other question do you have?
Nothing. I think replaying the attack, this is being really malicious.
So if you remember, okay, like Zigbee, whatever we played, so Zigbee we replay the attack. So the bulb, okay, like is starting on and off. So when we capture the packet, we able to replay it. So
Replay
you can
the
see,
same packet.
and just now I think
The same attack can be
same
done with
attack,
this.
and just 2 hours before we have seen that already,
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
The same thing can be done here, and we have a powerful device already with us. Now, okay, if you're thinking like what other device you can use it. So right now, okay, like here I require operating system. Right? So I require operating system in order to do all this activity.
Exactly.
But if you want to do like using a one single device where each and every operating system is installed there, you can use basically called Porta Pack. So let me show you also this device, like you can use it. This is how it is. And I'm not sure, okay, this device is available, okay, in India, but you can easily order, okay, from like outside India, okay. But the problem is, okay, like I don't have that internet because, okay, like I just isolated everything, but you got an idea, right?
Yes,
Porta Pack,
exactly.
okay, you search on Google, so it have exactly same device, you have a screen there.
Okay.
Okay, so here, okay, like you can record and you can transmit directly from the device.
Oh, directly from
This
the
is very
device.
easy, and you don't require any Mac system and all this.
Okay.
So that's how, okay, you're going to snip the things, and that's how you replay the thing, which is very dangerous. And again, you need to promise me here, I will not do any malicious activity
Definitely.
after learning
Without
this.
anyone consent, I'm just not gonna happen.
This is the thing. So
Thank you.
thank you to all. Have a great day ahead. See you soon in the next episode.
Thank you so much. Tim.